guys, welcome back to the second episode of today. And I know that some of you guys might be wondering what Pokemon we're going to draw today, but we are not going to draw a Pokemon. We are going to try to, draw a thank you letter to those people who are here in this world today trying to help us through these tragic times with the COVID-19. So today's episode will be about making a poster or a thank you card or just a picture with some words on it and then you can mail it or you can just leave it, but you can just make whatever you want. So we're going to make a thank you letter. Let me find my pencil here. Missing it. Okay, I found my pencil. Doesn't have an eraser, but that's good. It's okay. So, yeah, basically just draw what you want. You can copy me or you can make your own. So, we probably want to start out with some, whoops. Let me grab my eraser here. 1 second. Okay, so we're gonna want to start out, and it's okay if you mess up. You can always erase. This is why I like using a pencil. So here we go. I'm gonna keep this handy. Yeah, so like I said, you probably want to start out with some soft, don't draw very hard, some soft letters. Maybe a thank you, like I'm doing. Probably want them all to be uppercase. You may not be able to see them here, but just right here. Yeah, so I'm thinking of in future episodes, we're going to definitely, like I said last episode, we're definitely going to move on to harder things as we get better or as time moves on. And make sure to ask some questions about what you want to maybe see us drawing in the future. So yeah. And while you are watching or drawing, you may want to, well, for sure you probably want to, think about what colors you're going to color this. And maybe some of you aren't even going to have a color at all. That's okay. Just want it to be nice and neat. And if it's not neat, it's okay. It's fine. Just try your best. You know what? Maybe I'm just gonna. So then, once you write down your soft regular letters, then what you're gonna want to do is you probably wanna get maybe even a thicker pencil if this one is not thick, or you can just press down hard. And you're just gonna wanna trace around the letters. I am probably not gonna talk much today. May not even finish with you guys seeing what I'm gonna draw here. And it's okay if your letters are sloppy like mine. At least that H right there. So we're gonna try to make something nice for all of those people out there who are helping with this crisis. And then I think this episode will be very short, because I don't think I'm going to do any Pokemon drawing. I think we're just going to focus on this letter right here. And if you want, because I'm not going to talk much today, if you want, you can pause the video and you can get off of the video and just draw what you want. Then you can come back to the video and you can skip ahead and see what happens after. I may sound confusing because this is only my second time doing a YouTube video, so I'm kind of nervous here. I'm not going to be famous or anything really soon. But thank you to those who are watching this, because usually videos that are like with a new channel usually don't get a lot of people to watch them really quickly. And I want to get, like, I've heard that people get paid after they get like 1,000 likes on a video or 1,000 views or something like that. The YouTubers also get like a star. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do all that. I think I might do a speed video of this. Have you seen me draw this? Just so this episode isn't just like boring. So give me 1 second to do that after I finish this one up. Oh, and also you will see more of this stuff, and you might even see the camera. I'm gonna move this. So just a heads up. This is basically all we're gonna do today. Now today, I was hoping to make another little part, or like drawing a Pokemon, in today's episode, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. I think I ran out of time. So thank you for watching, and I know I'm not going to show you how to color this because, well, this may not be what you drew. And I just wrote my name in a fancy way. I don't even know how to spell COVID, so no worries if you don't know how to spell some of these words. But of course you probably made your own. So, yeah. I will see you later and come back next time for some more drawing.
A note from Earth Ninja Rose mom. Give your thank you card to your parents and they can mail it to a local hospital or post it on their local media pages.
Thank you for watching this episode, and see you next time for more. Howdy!